Hari Om. Now that we are on the spiritual path, we all know that the core reason for a human's suffering is ignorance. Spiritual knowledge, knowledge of the self, knowledge of who am I, is the light that dispels the darkness of ignorance and effortlessly converts all suffering into eternal joy. मैं क्षेत्र नहीं क्षेत्रज्ञ हूँ is a bhajan that reminds us of our true identity. Who am I? When we engage in self-inquiry, many realizations dawn on us, like I am not this body, I am not this intellect, I am not this mind, I am not these senses, I am not my emotions, thoughts, desires, I am not my work or profession, I am not the role that I play of a daughter, a friend, a sister, a mother, etc. So, who am I? Let's deep dive into this bhajan to understand this even better and remind ourselves of the profound truth, the reason why we are here, to discover our true selves and attain self-realization. मैं क्षेत्र नहीं क्षेत्रज्ञ हूँ, मैं सर्वव्यापक सर्वानंद हूँ. यही है सर्व मम रूप. I am not the field, but the knower of the field. I am all pervading, omnipresent. I am all blissful, an embodiment of eternal bliss. This is my universal form, Sarva Mama Roop. Essentially, it means that I am not the material body or anything that is material, which is referred to as the field here. But I am the pure, divine, immortal soul, the knower of the field, the knower of the material world. I am so infinite and incomprehensible that I am far beyond my material form and the entire material world. God resides within me, and so I am the creator of the entire world. I am the creator, not the creation. That's the infinite power of a soul. My true identity, each one's true identity. The soul is not limited by the material world, but is the very consciousness that perceives this world. Let us recognize the omnipresence of the divine soul and inherent bliss of the true self that each one of us is. मैं कुछ भी नहीं और सब कुछ हूँ. नहीं जन्म मेरा मैं स्वयं भव हूँ. नहीं बांध मुझे मैं मुक्त स्वरूप हूँ. I am nothing and I am everything. I have no birth. I am self-existent. I am not bound. I am eternally free. This means that if I perceive myself as a human, then I am nothing. I am just a speck of dust amongst the countless creatures in this vast and finite universe. But when I realize who I am truly, I know my true self, the pure divine soul. That's when I know that I am everything. So I am nothing as a human, as a creation, but I am everything as the pure divine soul, an embodiment of the Creator Himself. My soul is ever existing, immortal, all pervading. The soul is neither born nor does it die. It is eternally existent. Therefore, my true self is birthless, self-existent, and inherently free. I don't have to seek liberation. I am already liberated. I am Mukt Swarup, a liberated, joyful soul. मैं खेल नहीं साखी दृष्टा हूँ. मैं सृष्टि का निर्माता हूँ. मैं नहीं करता नहीं भरता हूँ. I am not the play. I am the witness of the play. I am the creator of the universe. I am neither the doer nor the sufferer of my doings, my actions. The true self does not get involved in the transient worldly activities, the play, but it is the silent witness, Sakshi, of all that is happening. As we evolve on the spiritual path and surrender to the wisdom of a true Guru who makes us meet our true self, we realize that everything in the world is already done. Whatever I am witnessing is my own perception, my own thought. I am the one who has created my own world. And once this truth dawns, as the creator, the true self remains. The soul remains detached from actions and their outcomes. As I am the creator, I am detached from the creation. When we engage in Nishkam Karma, selfless actions, we are not the doers, as we realize everything is happening through us due to the divine energy within us. And selfless actions do not create any reactions. Nishkam Karma is neither good nor bad. It's beyond good or bad. It's an offering to the divine. Thus, if there is neither good nor bad karma, then there are no fruits or outcomes of such Nishkam Karma. With no outcomes or consequences, I am effortlessly released from the cycle of birth and death. Hence, I am neither the doer nor the sufferer of any actions, as all my actions are selfless. I am the creator and the witness of the universe. My soul is beyond the duality of creation and destruction. I am the soul. I am the pure divine soul beyond the duality of creation and destruction. And isn't that true? Every morning, each one of us creates our own world, and every night, as we go to sleep, we destroy our own world and merge into consciousness. That's the true nature of the soul. That's who I am, the creator, the destroyer, the witness of the creation. मैं त्रिपुटी से भी न्याना हूँ, जहाँ मन बुद्धि वाणी की पहुँच नहीं. मैं ऐसा निज निर्लेप ही हूँ. आई एम यूनिक and way above the triad of individual knower, the known and the act of knowing. I am the witness of individual consciousness. I am the witness of the knower, the object of the knowledge, the known, and the process of perception, the act of knowing. That's how infinite I am. I encompass the knower, the object of knowledge, the act of knowing. I encompass the observer, the act of observing, and the observed. I am all of these. It's me and me alone everywhere. My true self. मैं ही तो हूँ. My soul. I am the soul. Omnipresent. All pervading. And I am existing in everything, everyone, everywhere. My soul is so infinite, incomprehensible, that the mind, intellect, and speech cannot reach or perceive the soul. I am that pure consciousness, an unstained self. Soul is beyond the grasp of mind, intellect, and senses. I cannot know my true self through the equipments of mind, intellect, senses, words, speech, actions. I can only experience my true self when I go beyond these material equipments, beyond the dualities, beyond the triads, and beyond the limitations imposed by the worldly perceptions. स्वधर्म मेरा है अशोक रहना, सच्चा पंथ मेरा है प्रेम करना. मैं त्रिगुणातीत ब्रह्म स्वरूप हूँ. My true dharma, swadharma, is to remain unperturbed, undisturbed, to remain without any sorrow or suffering. My identity is eternal joy. So how can I have any sorrow or suffering? Ashok Rehna is my swadharma. To be that eternal joy is my swadharma. And my true path is divine love. I am joy, I am love. And I am way above the three gunas, the three modes of nature, Satogun, Rajogun, Tamogun. The mode of goodness, the mode of passion or activity, the mode of inertia or laziness. I am Nirgun, way beyond these gunas. I am Nirgun, without any qualities. I am pure, divine, unstained self, flowing like water, colorless, tasteless, qualityless. I am infinite. I am Brahma Swarup. I am divinity itself, pure, divine soul, consciousness. Truth, consciousness, eternal joy. This is who I am, and this is who each one of us is. Pure, divine, eternally free, ever existing, immortal, omnipresent, all pervading, creator and witness of the creation. Know thyself and know God. Know that you are that God, that divinity. Discover your true self. मैं क्षेत्र नहीं, क्षेत्रज्ञ हूँ. मैं क्षेत्र नहीं, क्षेत्रज्ञ हूँ. मैं सर्वव्यापक सर्वानंद हूँ. यही है सर्वमम रूप. यही है सर्वमम रूप. मैं क्षेत्र नहीं, क्षेत्रज्ञ हूँ. मैं सर्वव्यापक सर्वानंद हूँ. यही है सर्वमम रूप. यही है सर्वमम रूप. मैं कुछ भी नहीं और सब कुछ हूँ. मैं कुछ भी नहीं और सब कुछ हूँ. नहीं जन्म मेरा, मैं स्वयं भव हूँ. नहीं जन्म मेरा, मैं स्वयं भव हूँ. नहीं बांध मुझे, मुक्त स्वरूप हूँ. नहीं बांध मुझे, मुक्त स्वरूप हूँ. मैं क्षेत्र नहीं, क्षेत्रज्ञ हूँ. मैं सर्वव्यापक सर्वानंद हूँ. यही है सर्वमम रूप. यही है सर्वमम रूप. मैं खेल नहीं, साक्षी दृष्टा हूँ. मैं खेल नहीं, साक्षी दृष्टा हूँ. मैं सृष्टि का निर्माता हूँ. मैं सृष्टि का निर्माता हूँ. मैं नहीं करता, नहीं भरता हूँ. मैं नहीं करता, नहीं भरता हूँ. मैं क्षेत्र नहीं, क्षेत्रज्ञ हूँ. मैं सर्वव्यापक सर्वानंद हूँ. यही है सर्वमम रूप. यही है सर्वमम रूप. मैं त्रिपुटी से भी न्यारा हूँ. मैं त्रिपुटी से भी न्यारा हूँ. जहाँ मन बुद्ध वाणी की पहुँच नहीं. जहाँ मन बुद्ध वाणी की पहुँच नहीं. मैं ऐसा निज निर्लेप ही हूँ. मैं ऐसा निज निर्लेप ही हूँ. मैं क्षेत्र नहीं, क्षेत्रज्ञ हूँ. मैं सर्वव्यापक सर्वानंद हूँ. यही है सर्वमम रूप. यही है सर्वमम रूप. स्वधर्म मेरा है शोक रहना. स्वधर्म मेरा है शोक रहना. सच्चा पंथ मेरा है प्रेम करना. सच्चा पंथ मेरा है प्रेम करना. मैं त्रिगुणातीत ब्रह्म रूप ही हूँ. मैं त्रिगुण व्यापक सर्वानंद